Hello everyone, I invite you to every Monday's cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the interval of 1 day. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel, which the price has left with a strong downward move, while we are currently seeing a sideways exit from the downtrend line. Now we can move on to marking support areas in case the correction starts to deepen. For this, we will lay out the fib retracement grid, and here we can immediately see that the price stays in a strong support zone that lasts from $26,311 to $24,793. When the zone is broken down by the price, we can see a strong downward move to the support area of $20,411. Looking the other way, we can also check resistance points for the price when it starts to rise. As we can see, the first resistance is at $27,625. Then we have the second resistance at $28,477. Then there is a strong resistance zone from $29,244 to $30,422. Only when the price goes up and then positively tests this zone will move towards a very strong resistance at $31,858. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we see that the price has fallen below the moving average of 200, indicating a return to the downtrend. When we look at the CHOP, RSI and stock indicators, we can see that energy is used everywhere, and as the price movement on the chart confirms, we can see on the indicators that we are in a period of consolidation, which may give an upward movement in the coming days. As the second chart in today's review, we'll be looking at ETH versus USDT, also on a 1-hour timeframe. As we can see, the price is moving along the local downtrend line. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the fib retracement tool to mark the supports. And as you can see, we first have a support range from $1,628 to $1,601. A second support at $1,573. A third at $1,533, and then we have a strong support at $1,483. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here the price faces a strong resistance zone from $1,685 to $1,712. And when we break above this zone, ETH has to break the resistance at $1,747. When we turn on the EMA cross 10 and 30, we can see that the red line of the EMA cross 10 is approaching to intersect the green lines of the EMA course 30 from below, indicating a return to the local uptrend. The CHOP index indicates that there is more and more energy in the current movement. On the RSI indicator, we have a visible increase with room for the price to go a little higher, while the stock indicator also indicates that we can see the price increase. As the third, we will check the XRP versus USDT chart on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel where the price is moving in the upper range. Moving on, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. However, here, after unfolding the fib retracement grid, we see that the price is holding a strong support zone from 55 cents to 46 cents. Looking the other way, we can mark two resistance zones, the first zone from 58 cents to 63 cents, and then we have the second resistance zone from 69 cents to 76 cents. Only when we manage to overcome them we can move towards resistance at 85 cents. When we turn on the EMA cross 200, we see that the price quickly returned to the blue line of the moving average 200, which indicates a quick return to the downtrend. On the CHOP index, we can see that there is a lot of energy for the upcoming move. On the RSI, we have a rebound and sideways movement around the middle of the range, while the stock indicator starts to turn around, which may indicate a price increase in the coming hours. The last one in today's chart is the DOT chart in pair to USDT on a 1-day interval. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the downtrend channel in which the price is currently holding. Moving on, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. And here we can mark the support zone from which the price bounces from $4.36 to $4.03. Then we can mark strong support at $3.56, and then $2.96. Looking the other way, we see that the price is on its way to a very strong resistance zone from $5.02 to $5.47. Then there is resistance at $5.81. And then it will move towards a very strong resistance at $6.78. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that we are collecting more and more energy for the upcoming move. The RSI indicator shows an increase, but there is still a lot of room for the price to go higher, while the stock indicator indicates an upward movement with room for further price increase as well. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.